In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bookmarks in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to mark your frequently used pages so you can get back to them in a single click, saving time every day. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in as you normally would. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top navigation where the primary categories live. These are the hubs that organize your work, such as sales, expenses, payroll, and for our example today, accounting. Go ahead and select a category you visit often. I'll choose accounting so you can see how this works in a real workflow. When the accounting section loads, shift your attention to the left-hand side or main content area where the options under that category are listed. Here, you'll typically see items like chart of accounts, reconcile, and other tools you might open repeatedly. The idea is to bookmark the exact page you depend on, so you don't have to drill through menus every time. Move your mouse beside the specific list item you want to keep handy. As you hover, you'll notice a small ribbon-shaped icon appear next to the item. This is the bookmark control. If you don't see it immediately, just glide your cursor near the item name until the ribbon shows up. It's subtle by design, but once you know where it appears, it's easy to find. Click the ribbon icon. When it changes to a shaded or filled in color, that's your visual confirmation that the page has been added to your bookmarks. If the ribbon remains hollow, try clicking once more, and make sure you're clicking directly on the icon, not the text beside it. After it's shaded, your shortcut is saved. QuickBooks will surface this bookmarked page in the bookmarks area of your navigation, so it's only a click away the next time you need it. The exact location of the bookmark section can vary slightly depending on updates or your screen size, but you'll typically find it near your main navigation, grouped together so your favorites are always visible. A couple of quick tips. If you ever change your mind, clicking the same ribbon again will unshade it and remove the bookmark. Also, consider bookmarking only your true essentials. Think of the reports or lists you open daily, so your bookmarks stay clean and effective rather than cluttered. That's it. You navigated to a category, located the item you use most, click the ribbon icon, and confirm the shaded ribbon to know it's saved. With this simple habit, you'll move through QuickBooks faster and with less hunting through menus every time you log in.